Hey you guys, I am showing you all this outfit that I put together. I think of this, it's a zebra print, I guess, but we think of it as a tiger print because we are from the good old state of Louisiana and we are rooting for our Tigers in the final championship that's coming up. So this is the Vera skirt. It's kind of the champagne color. It has a zip on the side. It's this midi length, which is really pretty. And it has this stretch in the back and the waist. It has an elastic band. So it feels very forgiving, and it kind of just like hugs the hips in a way that's flattering and then tapers down to the knee. So I just have it paired with a velvet top that we have in the shop. This is from a premium brand called Nation, actually a velvet material. I just tucked it in the front to show the waistline. A cute, fun outfit. If it wasn't velvet, you'd totally wear this with a black tank and some flip-flops and then wear it out to a tailgate or to a LSU party. Thank you very much for watching, and please comment below if you're interested. Thanks.